Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that in our previous video, we made this awesome harmless Python virus. So in today's video, we will extend this by converting this Python file into an exe file and adding that exe file into our PC startup. So guys, without any time waste, let's get started. So guys, first of all, we will start by converting this Python file into an exe file. To do so, just launch your terminal and type pip install auto-py-2-exe. After typing that, just press enter and it will just install this package for you. And after installing this package, you have to just type this package name once again. After typing, it will just open an Chrome window here, and as you can see, you have to make sure that you're connected to the internet. So after typing this command, you have to select the path of your Python file. So I will just click browse and I will select this file and I will click on open, and it will just take my Python file location. And after that, you have to select that you want to convert this Python file into one directory or one file. Just select one file. Then after that, you want to choose that you want a console based application or a window based. So I will just keep it console based. Then after, you can add an icon. You will be needing a ICO file for this. So for now I'm not adding it, and in additional files you can add some more Python files if you want. Then in advanced, it has some advanced options. Then in settings, it has some settings. So guys, after this all setup, you have to just click on this button and it will start converting this Python file to exe. So guys, I want to tell you that this takes some time, up to 5 to 6 minutes. If this file is too much big, it can take up to hours. So guys, it depends on your Python file size. So guys, let's wait.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, as you can see, it is done converting our Python file into an exe file. So it took me about almost 5 minutes. So now I will just clear output and close this window. And as you can see, it made a new folder, and in this folder there's an exe file. So if I will right click on this reveal in file explorer, it takes me to this folder in our file explorer. And if I open this, as you can see, it has a nice logo and it has converted our Python file into an exe file. So guys, if I'll run this file, as you can see, it opens a console, and after that it will take some time, like 4 to 5 seconds, and as you can see, it runs as normal. And if I'll click on OK, it should give me another prompt. So as it is taking a lot longer than I expected. So as I will just close this for now. I have it is not it is not optimized, that's why it is taking so much time. So now our goal is to take this file to our PC startup. So what you want to do is just copy this file and then come to your C
It's not
drive.
a game. It's a
After that,
race.
go to users and then your user from which you are logging into your Windows. If you don't know, just click here and you can see your username. I will click on mine. Then you have to go into this app data folder. It is a hidden folder, so make sure go to this view and check this hidden items option. Then you can find this app data folder. Or you can just do is just type backslash and app data and you will just come to this folder. And after that, go to roaming, then go to Microsoft, then Windows, and then go to start menu, then programs, and then startup. Just paste this file here and you will be fine. And when you will restart or shut down your computer and turn it on again, you will find this file running on your computer at startup. So as you can see, we have converted our Python file into an exe file and we have added it to our PC startup. So guys, that's for this video. Subscribe for new more amazing content. Like this video, comment down below. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.